The countdown to the ICC World Cup 2019 begins as the Blues launch the brand new ODI jersey.
The message is pretty simple: chase excellence. That's how you get this jersey eventually. There's a certain level of importance and
Angels planning to follow the Blues on this episode. I'm going to chat up the Blues. As you can see behind me, the stage is set. What are the numbers? Number 5, Jemimah Rodrigues. Number 27, Ajinkya Rahane. 7, MS Dhoni. 18, Virat Kohli. Another 7, that's Harmanpreet Kaur. And number 100, that is the Prithvi Show. Why are they coming here? Well, the occasion calls for it. Not too far away from the ICC Cricket World Cup. Before you step onto the battlefield, you need a good armour. And that's what was launched. The new jersey that they'll start wearing from this India-Australia series that will take them through to the World Cup. A nice special touch that's been given. Imagine when you're just getting ready for a big game, this is what you'll see on your jersey. June 25th, 1983, September 24, 2007, April 2nd, 2011, red letter days in the history of Indian cricket, along with the coordinates of the grounds where these world titles were lifted. So, well, these jerseys, of course, even the fans will bleed blue on their favourite show that has followed the Blues. But for now, it's time to chat out these champions. They're on the stage.
Amazing in the change room. Everyone's really confident and very comfortable with where we are as a team and as individual players as well, which I think is a great sign for any team. And as a captain, I couldn't have asked for anything more. As you said, we're peaking at the right time. We've had a great overseas run, and now it's time to replicate the same a little bit at home.
Has anything changed, especially after what was a fantastic 2018, making it to the semis of World T20? Just what do we expect in the year to follow?
I think it was really a good year for all over our team. I think we are playing really good cricket and looking forward to do the same things again. And the one thing which is missing to winning the World Cup, and that's what we are looking as a team.
How ready are you for the upcoming big tournament in England?
I think that's what you aim for. That's what you plan for. World Cup, every 4th year you get a World Cup. So once one World Cup finishes, you start preparing for the next one. In between, you have a Champions Trophy. So all these ICC events, you keep preparing for them. You want to keep your best players fit and in form for the big tournament. So I think we are on the right path.
Got inspiration coming in from 1983, 2007, 2011. When you have elements like this in a jersey, is that a bit of a source of inspiration just when you're putting it on and stepping onto the field?
I think it always reminds you of the great legacy that we have got. And I feel, it's not only that. Beyond that also, we have had bilateral series and, playing cricket in a way where we've reached the #1 position in each and every format. So all these are, the motivational stuff. You really... Whenever you look at them, you feel motivated to give even more extra, maybe 10%, 15% more. And I think the jersey, you can only put a few things on the jersey. So I think that's why it's the World Cups, that have been put over there. So other than that, it feels good to, always get into the past a bit. The first World Cup, we were very young, but still we saw the videos and how everybody celebrated, being part of the 2007 and 11. So cricket means a lot, and it's something that we are good at. So we always feel good about the fact that we are continuing this legacy forward, and we'll hand it over to the next future generation. So hopefully lots of World Cups and different tournaments which will be part of the jersey. But overall, it's the consistent cricket that we are really proud of.
What does this jersey mean to you, and what is your message to all the kids who are watching this right now?
The message is pretty simple: chase excellence. That's how you get this jersey eventually. There's a certain level of importance and pride attached to this jersey, and everyone has to realize that it's not something that you can just get in a good season of cricket. You have to strive for excellence. You have to show that you are obsessed with making your team win every ball, every minute of the game, and that's how you earn this jersey. I earned mine like that. And I remember not only with the senior team, when I got mine in the under-19 level, and just to see my name and number at the back, and I got this number first time, I didn't ask for it. I was the happiest man in the world. I was like, you know, the under-19 games I aired on TV, and I saw all these heroes of mine with their numbers and names at the back, and it was just such a great feeling for me. And now, although we don't notice these things anymore, but it's still a very special thing to have your own